We got Lickety Split Leo with the Shell Razor. Just a quick look at the back here. We got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles T-Sprints. It says Shredder and the Foot Clan are on the run, but they are no match for the T-Sprints Ninja Turtles who dash through the sewers. It's an all-out battle to the finish as these mighty mini-mutants rev and sprint through the streets of NYC to battle evil. So you rev them up, then you drop them into their vehicle and they go. So you see we got Leo, Mikey, Raph, Donnie. We got a Splinter figure, Shredder, and Triceraton. So I don't have the Splinter, the Shredder, or the Triceraton as part of this yet. But to add and complete the little collection, you can get those three. Here's Leo and the Shell Razor out of the package. So you can see here's the Leo T-Sprints figure. You can see here on the back. So what you do is you rev him up. Now, obviously I'm not going super fast there, but as you do, his legs and his hands move. And then you can go. So you can also, try doing this the other way, rev him up and drop him in there. And that drives the little vehicle. Now the vehicle itself is a plastic shell. And it doesn't have any moving wheels or anything like that. It's all moved by the T-Sprints figure. Here we got Mad Motion Mikey in the party van. Mikey in the party van out of the package. You can see how that looks here. You see his T-Sprinting ability. You can really get those revving, moving those little arms and little legs. We got Rapid Assault Raph with the Stealth Bike. Raph and the Stealth Bike out of the package. Here's what Raph looks like out of the package when he does his little sprinting. Got those Psy running super fast. Drop him into the Stealth Bike. You have to rev him first, then drop him in. I'll show you these zipping along a little bit faster in a moment. We got Dasher Donnie with the patrol buggy. So he can race on his own or he can race in the patrol buggy. And then also we have Donatello and one of the patrol buggies for his vehicle for T-Sprints. And here we go. He's got double bow staffs for his running.
The way that I'm trying, I want to learn all the way. Sorry! I'll go get him. Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to take the T-Sprints, get it going, and put it into the vehicle. Now let's take Raph and the Stealth Bike. And Mikey and the Party Wagon. Sometimes when you put them down and they're going too fast, they pop right back up.
They just flip over.
It's got this piece here. Alright, we've been playing with these, so.
Wow! That was awesome!
The full lineup of the turtles. The heads actually swivel from side to side too. So they all have their great expressions for each character. especially love that Donnie's got that gap tooth and his look there, and Raphael looks mad. So it's those are fun. They're cute.